Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do 3D zoom effect on CapCut PC. So I have a few photos in my project. Select all photos and put on the timelines. And after that you have to decide on which photo you want to apply 3D photo effects. So for example, I am applying on this photo. So you need to click on that. And after that, on the right side you will see that there is a video, animation, adjust, and all styles options are available. You need to click on that all styles, and here you need to click on the style, click OK, and after that you will see that the trending option and the other multiple options. In the trending option you will see that there is a 3D option which is the 3D Zoom Pro. You need to click on that, and after that you will see that there is a processing starts, and it will complete depends upon your the PC speeds. Let's wait it. So once the processing complete, you have to check how it looks. Click on that and let's play it. Wow, this is super amazing that the 3D zoom effect is make a something special effect to your photo clips. So this effects adds incredible depth and motion to your photos or clips. To do again, for example, I'm selecting this image right now, and on the style again you need to click on style, click on OK, and again you need to click on the 3D Zoom Pro and wait for the processing, and after that you will apply. Now play it. Wow, this is super amazing. So 3D zoom is a super amazing effect. You must apply it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.